apologize. I don't know. I wasn't prepared to be on film today or do any of this, but my copy, my proof copy of Mixed Media Magic just came in the mail and I'm freaking out. And I'm freaking out for so many reasons other than this is just a book. This is like my baby. Now, I know I have this series already out, and this was fantastic, and this is also my baby, but this Mixed Media Magic book takes, like, my art has come to the next level since I made this. Was published back in 2015, and now it's 2018, and a lot has happened in those 3 years. I've really become obsessed with mixed media, and since this will be my 5th book actually in publication, I've just learned so much about the process of self-publishing, and just there's a lot to learn, right? And so this is like the apex of all of that learning. I've also am freaking out excited because the quality of this book. Okay, I'm opening it. I'm so nervous. The quality of this book is unlike anything I've done before. This is all of my drawings, as you know, and these were scanned and uploaded, and they were published through CreateSpace, which is an Amazon-owned company, and they only give you one color option for printing, okay? So this book I am actually publishing with Ingram Spark, which is a different company. They've been around for like 50 years, and they have this premium color option. Eek! Because this new book is all photographs, I did not want to compromise on quality. Sorry, I'm trying to open this package. Oh my god! I did not want to compromise on quality, and so I'm paying a lot of extra money per each copy to have it look premium. And here it is for the first time. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my god! Ah! Oh, I want to cry. Oh my god, there it is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, my heart is like pounding. I wish I could express y'all. I'm so nervous. This is like a really big deal, okay? This is a really big deal. This is gonna be my baby. This is my baby. Wow. All right, so again, I'm using a premium color printing, and these are all yeah, this book is filled to the brim with photographs. We have step-by-step techniques for 10 different projects, and there's full layout pages of recent artwork, a lot of recent work that you may recognize. Oh, the pages are like butter. They're like buttery feeling. That's fascinating. But they really do actually look so good. Actually, this one, you're going to see her in the making of her in the e-course that goes with it. I'm going to have an online class at awesomeartschool.com that are all the same projects that you'll see in the book. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It looks so good. It looks so good. So here's a sneak peek. I'm sorry, I'm like not even making sense. I didn't even plan to do it. My kids are all home. Like normally this is not the environment that I actually make film in, but here is a sneak peek to what it looks like. So you're talking about supplies, you know, what is gesso, water soluble versus permanent. Oh my gosh. Talking about all the different tools like stencils and stamps. Talking about substrates. All right. Just you kind of have to get your like ducks in a row before you can like start making a big mess, right? So you don't have like a little bit of a plan. Sometimes like if you use like something oil under acrylic, like that's bad. Like that's bad. So if you can have some, just like a quick overview of like some guidelines and rules, then you can go play and make a mess and have a blast. And that's what this book is for. So we talk a little bit about the rules, and then there's like great tips on how to make backgrounds, and then there's like specific beginning to end projects. There's 10, and that includes how to draw and how to shade a face. So that's sort of like 2 in 1, plus the background is another one. And it just talks all about my favorite supplies and tips and tricks and rules to use them correctly, how not to waste paint, how to save money, how to do upcycling. There's like all of my tips and tricks and methods and projects to get you up and running, making mixed media projects just completely successful. Oh my god! So again, this is the Color Premium. I got this as like a test to see if I was willing to pay. I basically make less money, a lot less money per each copy sold because I'm using this. But I really just think it's so important to have a book look so good. There's a foam head project in there. The girl you see on the cover, that entire project is in here step by step. That's the only one that you won't see. That won't be filmed because I did that actually in another class. But they're step by step for every single thing along the way. This is another art journal project. So if you are into mixed media, oh, and then I have Inspiration Station, which is like pages and pages and pages of further ways to get inspired, be inspired, and to stay inspired no matter what level that you are at in your life. Oh my gosh, I think this is good to go. This is ready. So I have to do one more really, really nitpicky pass with my editor, who is my sweet, sweet mother. We call her Grammar Grandma because she was an ESL teacher for 35 years. And this woman is like a walking, living dictionary thesaurus. And lucky for me, she's my editor. So I have to have her like comb through every little speck of this. And then I bring it to my designer. One of the biggest reasons I self-publish and I don't go through a traditional publisher has nothing to do with money and everything to do with creative control, because I want to have my hands in every last teeny weeny tiny design decision. And also my book, the woman who does my book layouts is stupid talented, and she's one of my best friends, and she's also my next door neighbor. I don't think I could have gotten any luckier landing next to her. She used to be a graphic designer in the animation department for Disney, Walt Disney Studios, and she worked in both the Florida location and as well as the LA location. Sorry, I can't even talk straight. I'm so stupid excited. And her name is Chris Miller. She does all of my books. And I think the biggest reason I refuse to work with a regular publisher is because I'll lose working with Chris. And she, like, I come to her, I run down the street, and I open up her door, and I say, I have this, like, idea, like, I'm such a spaz, blah, blah, blah. And she'll be like, oh, like this? And I'll be like, yes. I mean, she just knows me that well. And, I can't lose her. I cannot. I cannot. I love her so much. So I'm going to go to the ends of the earth with Chris Miller in my pocket. And yes, so that is why I choose to self-publish and not go with a traditional publisher. And I'm sure there's fantastic designers that work with them as well. But if they're not Chris Miller, I think that makes me too sad. So anyways, I'm just blabbling like a complete idiot. Here's my book. It should be available on Amazon within the next couple of weeks. I know I keep saying that, but it is a long process to get these up and running. But so soon. But here is their major sneak peek, and I hope you love this as much as I do and the projects inside. So thank you guys so much for your support and like coming along my artistic journey with me, and my biggest fans who write me blabby, awesome love letters. Oh, and Donna Lyon, I'm wearing your necklace today. Thank you for my care package. You are the best. And oh my gosh, so excited. Yay, so soon. Yay. And I will have signed copies in my Etsy shop, of course. And I will let you know the hot second that those are ready as well. All right, I'm sorry I'm such a spaz. And I'm sorry. Okay, bye.